Hormonal imbalance is a disease of the endocrine glands. Hormones are the chemical messengers of the body. They regulate the body's metabolism. They act like transporters and send signals from one cell to another. Below are the important remedies for hormonal imbalance. Pumpkin seeds for hormonal imbalance. Chew 5 to 6 pumpkin seeds a day. Sunflower seeds for hormonal imbalance. Chew 4 to 6 sunflower seeds once in a day. Chaste berry for hormonal imbalance. Boil few chaste berry in 200 milliliters of water to prepare a tea. Drink this tea on the daily basis to balance the levels. Chaste black cohosh for hormonal imbalance. Boil fresh black cohosh roots in 100 milliliters of water for 10 minutes. Strain off this infusion. Drink it regularly. Withania somnifera for hormonal imbalance. Daily consume 1 capsule of Withania somnifera to treat hormonal imbalance. Dong Qi for hormonal imbalance. Powder the root and leaves of Dong Qi. Consume 1 to 2 tablespoons with water. Repeat it daily to maintain balance. Dong Qi